In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create booking pages in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Calendar. Once you're in, look for the Create button, and from there, choose Appointment Schedule. This is the feature that lets you set up a professional booking page so other people can reserve time with you based on the availability you define. It's a great option if you want to avoid back and forth emails and make scheduling much more efficient. When the appointment schedule setup opens, begin by entering a title. This is the name people will see on your booking page, so make it clear and specific. For example, you might name it based on the type of meeting or service you're offering. A simple descriptive title helps people immediately understand what they're booking. Next, choose the appointment duration. This determines how long each booking slot will last. Think carefully about how much time you actually need for each meeting, because this will shape the structure of your calendar and help prevent rushed or overly long sessions. Picking the right duration also makes your schedule easier for others to understand. After that, set your general availability by selecting the days and times when you want people to be able to book with you. You can decide exactly when you're available, and if your schedule is consistent, you can also choose to have those times repeat weekly. This is especially helpful if you have regular working hours and want your booking page to stay organized with minimal maintenance. You'll then want to adjust the scheduling window. This setting controls how far in advance someone can book and how close to the appointment time they're allowed to schedule. This gives you more control over your calendar and helps you avoid last-minute appointments if that doesn't fit your workflow. It's a useful setting for protecting your time and planning ahead. If needed, you can also add buffer time between appointments. Buffer time gives you a break before the next booking starts, which can be useful for preparation, follow-up notes, or simply giving yourself breathing room. You may also choose to set a maximum number of bookings per day. That's a smart option if you want to prevent overload and keep your schedule manageable. Once you've reviewed all of those settings and everything looks right, click Next to continue. That's how you begin creating a booking page in Google Calendar. Taking a few minutes to set these options properly can make your scheduling process much smoother and more professional.